I'm excited about this forecast because one, I'm seeing some sun, but I also want to give you a heads up because you're going to want to use here the next hour or so to, well, maybe help out with this. Giving you a count, just a heads up, you have 16 days until Christmas. I'm talking that means 2 weeks and 2 days, and it's going to go by fast. But when we have some sun out there in Northwest Ohio, you're maybe not thinking the most festive of things. But if you have plans for Friday evening, you might have a little more of a festive feeling because we are tracking rain and snow into the forecast, but also temperatures above freezing. That means, yeah, the atmosphere is going to be a little bit cold above to where we could see some wet snow that does make it to the ground. So keep that in mind for your Friday night plans. But come Saturday and Sunday, we'll have dry weather for both days. We'll have seasonal temperatures into the lower 40s. However, we'll probably be working with a little more cloud cover than what we want. We'll have cloudy conditions for Saturday and Sunday when we really just want some sunny weekends, but that's just not going to be the play for us. It's our cloudy season, we can say. And well, here's a cloud maker. It's also making rain and snow. We have that just building right along Lake Michigan going into Indiana, and that's going to continue to expand further eastward, meaning here in just the next hour to 2 hours, we'll start to see that wet weather rolling into the forecast. So let's time it out. Hour by hour forecast already showing those clouds that are going to continue to head through the second half of our area and bringing with it, here comes that rain and snowfall. Now with temperatures to be above freezing, a lot of us will just have that cold, chilly rain. But if you're further north and west of the metro, you are going to be seeing some wet snowflakes trying to mix on in, and it may even stretch south of the state line. So at times roadways are going to be wet, but with soil temperatures into the lower 40s and our roadways, everybody cruising on those, we shouldn't have too many travel impacts. But take it slow on those wet roadways because we are going to have the rain and snow for the evening, and you are going to find though that it actually makes a quick exit before midnight. We're just left with cloudy skies. The rain and snow is out of town, and then we'll hold like that for the weekend. But where we anticipate north and west of Toledo, we could see a little bit of snow that tries to stick to those grassy surfaces for a little bit. And even briefly, you could have right along the Maumee River there, finding a little bit of a coating that tries to stick, but with temperatures being a little more mild or at least above freezing, we should be in good shape. Now, if you're south and east of the river, you are going to find you're just going to have that chilly rainfall for your Friday night plans. Now for today, highs alone are only going to be into the lower 40s, but this is where we should be for December, and those clouds are going to be filling back in. So enjoy the last glimpse of sun that we have here at lunchtime because we will be switching over to the WTOL 11 weather app. I'll be using the radar there to keep an eye on rain and snowfall. Now, once we get done with this system, your weekend will be dry. Your plans will be just fine. And even early next week, we'll have dry weather. Now, we do have seasonal temperatures all throughout this 10-day forecast until next week. So when you disconnect over the weekend, don't forget the middle of next week. Make sure you check back in with your weather because we are going to have rain and some snow showers that move in from this system. It'll also knock temperatures to be, well, a little chilly. Highs are only going to be in the mid-30s. So we'll be keeping an eye on that system as it's going to be giving us a little maybe of that festive snow and that wintry chill in the air.
Feeling a little bit more festive. It's fairly mild right now, I feel like.
It is, and I am soaking in the sun on the Jet Express
How
cam.
about that?
It's fantastic.
I wasn't expecting that.
No, it's wonderful out there. We're here in the metro, we have those cloudy skies. So that's why I love the cams. I can just live everywhere
Just
and
check
enjoy
them
it.
out and go, yeah, take me to the Bahamas next time, will you?
Oh, well, they're not here in Northwest Ohio.
I know, fair enough. Okay, Diane, thank you.